In today's video, I'll show you how to set up a town hall in Microsoft Teams. Town halls in Microsoft Teams are designed for large-scale events like company announcements, leadership updates, and all-hands meetings, where you want structured communication and controlled participation. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams and go to your calendar. At the top of the calendar, click the drop-down next to New Meeting and select Town Hall. This opens the Town Hall setup page where you can configure your event details. Start by entering the event title, date, start time, and end time. You can also add a description so attendees know what the session is about. Next, add your presenters and organizers. Presenters are the people who will speak or share content during the town hall, while organizers manage the event settings. You can then choose who is allowed to attend. Town halls can be set up for your organization only or open to external attendees, depending on your needs and permissions. Scroll down to Attendee Experience. Here, you can control whether attendees can use Canned. This helps keep the event focused and well-managed. If you want audience interaction without interruptions, enable Canned so participants can submit questions that presenters or moderators can respond to. You can also adjust recording and attendee visibility options, depending on how formal or open you want the town hall to be. Once everything is set, click Publish or Save to schedule the town hall. After publishing, Teams will generate a meeting link that you can share with your audience through email, chat, or calendar invites. On the day of the event, presenters and organizers can join early to prepare, while attendees join in view-only mode, ensuring a smooth and professional experience. And that's how you set up a town hall in Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.